Hello everyone and welcome to another TrustLaunch tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can cancel your presale. Alrighty, so canceling your presale is super easy to do, and let's just say for whatever reason you no longer something fell through, you don't want to do the presale anymore, and your launchpad you don't want your launchpad to exist anymore for whatever reason. We can go ahead here. Let's go to Launchpads. Let's go to all Launchpad lists. We're going to filter out our status here to show only my Launchpads. Filter. And we just created this here just so we can delete it, but we're going to click View Pool on Stonk Token. We're going to edit our Launchpad. And once you're at this page, once you're at the Edit Launchpad page, you're going to go to Administration, and you're going to just click Cancel Presale. Super simple, super easy. We got a confirmation here, a wallet transaction that we have to confirm. And after clicking that, that is it, guys. We've canceled our pre-sale. So our transaction is confirmed. If we go back to our Launchpad list and we click on Show My Launchpads, it's been canceled. So it is no longer available for purchase for sale. We completely canceled it, and there's nothing left to do. So that's all there is to it, guys. And hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.